What's up, guys? Al with Offset Tactical here with this week's drill. Here's a target that you're going to need this week, and here's where you can run and grab this target and others like it for free, whether you're an instructor and making others better, or if you yourself are just looking to get better 1% every day, run up to our website, grab a target, run any of these drills until you hit that mark that you are looking to hit. Now, this week's drill is going to be a version of the 666. We're going to fire 6 rounds from the 3, the 5, and the 7-yard line with part times of 3 seconds, 3.5 seconds, and 4 seconds. Right? It's going to put your on-demand performance environment kind of to the test, see where you are coming out of the holster and engaging a target for 6 rounds from any given distance that we're doing. Now, the one thing that I would recommend all of you do here is truly dial in your grips, right? A lot of times what we have in the training space is we identify shooters that don't have consistent grips or grip pressures, and by doing that, when they run volleys of fire, 5, 6, 7 rounds, or whatever, their grips give way. So work on your grip, establish pressures, and remain consistent throughout with those. Here's your loadout for the screenshot. All right, now today we're going to be running a Stealth Arms Platypus 1911 double stack and a Trijicon SRO. All right, here we go. 3 seconds, 6 yards. As I was, 3 seconds, 3 yards, 6 rounds total. Here we go. All right, coming in at a 2-4-4. Let's move it back to the 5-yard line. And I may be falling just a little bit victim to what I was talking about there. My grip seemed to have give way just a little bit with that last 2 rounds there, or that last round. So, all right, got to do better at keeping those pressures consistent throughout. All right, here we go. 3.5 seconds now. 3.5 seconds now from the 5-yard line. Here we go. All right, coming in at 2.92. Let's make it all the way back to the 7. Same drill. We're looking for 6 rounds, 4 seconds this time from the holster, 6-inch target. Here it comes. All right, coming in at a 3-4-9. Guys, this is exactly why we do it, right? This is the kind of drill that's going to put your performance level to the test. I would recommend that you run this cold start. When we teach our instructor development, our firearms instructor development class and our human performance shooting class, these are the drills that we start with. Cold bore, on-demand performance, what do you have on any given distance? If you want to increase the level of difficulty on something like this, run it 5, 10, 15 yards as it's meant to be run. This right here just gives you a small taste, right, of what the true 666 drill should be. Guys, follow us every week for drills like this and more. At Offset Tactical, we train you to win by an overwhelming margin. Stay safe out there.